Ever wonder what people are really saying when they aren't speaking? Their body language might be screaming secrets. In this video, we'll decode the hidden messages in every glance, gesture, and posture, revealing how you can master nonverbal communication to build stronger connections and truly understand those around you. Ignoring body language is like missing half the conversation. Words may sound clear, but the body often tells a different truth. It's more powerful than words, yet most of us never notice it, Rody. The body speaks when the mouth stays silent.
When you miss those cues, you milk connection, honesty, and trust. The message beneath the words is what truly matters.
In every situation, interviews, first impressions, or quiet conversations, trust grows in quiet moments. A steady gaze, a gentle nod, a pause that says everything without sound. Every gesture tells a story, fear, comfort, or care. Learn to feel emotion where words never reach. Your brain reads body language instantly. Even before you speak, it senses confidence, fear, or honesty through microsignals. Micro-expressions flash in less than a second, revealing true emotion even when someone tries to hide it. Learning them makes you a master observer. Confidence isn't about size or stance. It's the calm in your posture that says, "I'm at ease."
Our hands speak when words don't. Openness, tension, hesitation.
Hands reveal truth. Tension hides fear. Openness shows trust.
Eyes speak honesty. A glance can reveal care, confidence, or hidden doubt.
Micro-expressions last less than a second, value, but they tell everything. Truth flickers before control returns.
Fast movements show stress or urgency. Slow, steady motion signals control and confidence.
Distance speaks volumes. Too close feels pushy. Too far feels cold. Balance shows respect.
We mirror people we trust. Small gestures, shared rhythm. It's how bodies say, "I feel the same."
A firm handshake or a gentle pat speaks volumes. Touch carries warmth, trust, and confidence without saying a word.
Eye contact builds trust. Too little feels distant, too much feels tense. Balance shows respect and confidence.
A pause can speak volumes. It shows presence, patience, and the courage to listen before you respond. When two people connect, their bodies often mirror each other, a natural sign of trust and understanding. The distance you keep says a lot. Respecting personal space builds comfort new. Crossing it too soon can break trust. Presence is the heart of communication. When you truly listen, your silence becomes understanding. True connection happens when presence replaces performance. When you simply are, communication goes beyond words.